Hello friends, today Mr. Suresh is going to make chicken nuggets which is very crispy and yummy using very simple ingredients which is easily available at home. The best part is no need to fry it the very same day. You can store it in the freezer and just whenever you need, make it fresh and you can have it. It will be really tasty and yummy. Come, let's see how we mix it.
I have taken half kg boneless chicken, washed it thoroughly and I have pat dried it and removed all the water. So I will cut it into fine strips like this. I have cut all the chicken into this finger strips and we will soak it in milk and use just about enough milk to soak all the pieces. I have used half a cup of milk to soak this chicken. Now we will keep it covered for half an hour and let the chicken soak all the milk. Now this chicken has soaked for about half an hour and I have drained the excess milk from the chicken. I will take half a teaspoon crushed pepper, half a teaspoon oregano, about 1.5 teaspoon chilli flakes, one tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. We will mix it thoroughly. To this I will add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I have mixed it thoroughly. I will take 1 egg. Coat the egg evenly over the chicken pieces. I have made breadcrumbs using 5 to 6 slices of fresh bread. Now one by one I will take the chicken pieces and roll it over the breadcrumbs and arrange it nicely in a bread box. After coating all the pieces with the breadcrumbs, we can directly fry it in oil or you can store this in refrigerator, and whenever it is required we can fry few pieces after removing it from the fridge and thawing it. After arranging one layer of chicken, I have placed one plastic film so that the pieces don't stick. Now I will arrange another layer over this plastic. Like that, one over the other, we will place it on plastic films so that whenever it is required we can remove one layer and fry those pieces. I have taken out required quantity of nuggets from the freezer. After thawing the pieces, Should be fried in medium to high flame. These nuggets can be made after a few days or immediately if you want. You have to at least freeze it for 30 minutes in deep freezer before frying it. It will take at least 5 minutes to cook it on both sides. When the color changes to light brown, you can flip it to the other side. Crispy and crunchy chicken nuggets are ready to be served. It's a favorite starter in parties and get-togethers.